Feline overlords. I mean companions. We all love to spoil our furry friends, but sometimes it's hard to know what's safe for them to eat. You stare at them while you eat, they stare back, and you find yourself wondering, can cats eat this? Ever wondered if your feline friend can share some of your favorite snacks? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to reveal 10 surprising human foods that are perfectly safe for your cat to enjoy. Stay tuned, it's gonna be meow-dical. First up, we have a classic cooked chicken. That's right, your cat can enjoy this lean protein source just as much as you do. Just imagine, you're enjoying a delicious roasted chicken, and you can share a little bit with your furry friend. But before you go full-on Lady and the Tramp with your cat, remember, moderation is key. Small amounts of boneless, skinless, and unseasoned cooked chicken are what we're talking about here. No need to get fancy with herbs and spices. Your cat won't appreciate the gourmet touch anyway. Think of it this way. You wouldn't season your cat's regular food with garlic and onion powder, would you? Those are actually toxic to cats. And speaking of toxic, never ever give your cat cooked chicken bones. They can splinter and cause serious internal damage. So stick to small pieces of plain cooked chicken, and your cat will be purring with delight. It's a great source of protein and can even be a healthy addition to their regular diet. Just remember, like any new food, introduce it slowly and watch for any adverse reactions. Okay, enough about chicken. Let's move on to the next surprising human food your cat can enjoy. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of omega-3 fatty acids with salmon. Yes, you heard that right, your cat can enjoy this heart-healthy fish too. Salmon is packed with protein and those all-important omega-3s, which are great for their skin, coat, and overall health. It's like a superfood disguised as a tasty treat. But, and this is a big but, always make sure the salmon is cooked thoroughly and deboned. Remember those pesky bones we talked about with chicken? Same deal here. We don't want any fishy obstructions happening in your cat's digestive system. Now I know what you're thinking. John, my cat won't go anywhere near a piece of cooked salmon. And you're probably right. Most cats prefer their salmon in the form of, well, cat food. But hey, it's always worth a try. You never know, your cat might surprise you and develop a taste for this fishy delight. Just remember, moderation is key. Okay, cat lovers, let's talk about pumpkin. No, not the pumpkin spice latte you're currently sipping on, though I'm sure your cat wouldn't mind a lick of the whipped cream. We're talking about plain, canned pumpkin. It's like a magical elixir for your cat's digestive system. Pumpkin is full of fiber, which can help regulate your cat's digestion and prevent both constipation and diarrhea. It's like a natural remedy in a can. Just imagine, instead of dealing with hairballs and upset stomachs, you can give your cat a spoonful of pumpkin and watch their digestive woes disappear. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more, well, pumpkin. But remember, we're talking about plain canned pumpkin here, not the sugary pumpkin pie filling. We don't want to give our feline friends a sugar rush. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab an extra can of pumpkin for your furry friend. They'll thank you for it, probably with a head boop or a purr, and who knows, maybe they'll even share their pumpkin spice latte with you. Just kidding, don't let them drink your coffee. Chapter 4, Blueberries for a Blue Ribbon Cat. We're moving on to something small, blue, and packed with antioxidants. Blueberries. That's right, those tiny berries you enjoy in your morning smoothie can also be a healthy treat for your cat. Think of blueberries as tiny little powerhouses of nutrition. They're low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which can help protect your cat's cells from damage. They're like the superheroes of the fruit world, fighting off free radicals and keeping your cat healthy and happy. But before you go offering your cat a whole bowl of blueberries, remember, moderation is key. Start with 1 or 2 berries and see how your cat reacts. Some cats might gobble them up like candy, while others might turn their noses up at them. It's all about finding what your cat enjoys. And who knows, maybe your cat will develop a taste for blueberries and you can bond over your shared love of this superfruit. Just be prepared to share. Chapter 5. Carrots, not just for bunnies. We're about to reveal a surprising fact. Cats can enjoy carrots. I know, it sounds strange, right? We usually associate carrots with bunnies, but these orange vegetables can actually be a healthy treat for your feline friend too. Carrots are a good source of vitamins and fiber, and they can even help improve your cat's vision. It's like giving them a superpower, but instead of X-ray vision they get, well, slightly better vision. But hey, every little bit helps, right? Now I know what you're thinking, John, my cat won't touch a carrot with a 10-foot pole. And you're probably right, cats are obligate carnivores after all, which means they get most of their nutrients from meat. But some cats might enjoy a little nibble of cooked carrot every now and then. Just make sure to cut it into small, bite-sized pieces to prevent choking hazards. And if your cat turns their nose up at it, well, more carrots for you. Chapter 6. Eggs, excellent source of protein for your feline. Let's talk about eggs, specifically cooked eggs. Yes, you heard that right. Those scrambled eggs you enjoy for breakfast can also be a healthy and delicious treat for your cat. Eggs are like nature's multivitamin, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're especially rich in taurine, an essential amino acid that cats need for healthy heart function, vision, and reproduction. It's like a superfood disguised as a breakfast staple. But before you go cracking open a raw egg into your cat's food bowl, hold on a second. Just like with humans, raw eggs can contain bacteria like salmonella, which can make your cat sick. So always make sure to cook eggs thoroughly before giving them to your cat. Scrambled, boiled, poached, it doesn't really matter, as long as it's cooked through. And as always, moderation is key. A little bit of cooked egg every now and then can be a healthy and delicious treat for your furry friend. Chapter 7. Spinach Popeye, approved for cats too. We're moving on to a leafy green that's not just for Popeye anymore. Spinach! That's right, this nutrient-packed vegetable can also be a healthy addition to your cat's diet. Spinach is like a salad bar in a leaf, full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's especially rich in vitamins A and K, which are important for your cat's vision, blood clotting, and bone health. It's like giving them a superfood boost, but without the superfood price tag. Now I know what you're thinking. John, my cat would rather eat my houseplants than a plate of spinach. And you're probably right. Cats aren't exactly known for their love of leafy greens. But some cats might enjoy a little bit of cooked spinach mixed in with their regular food. Just make sure to cook it thoroughly and chop it into small pieces to make it easier to digest. And if your cat turns their nose up at it, well, more spinach for you. Chapter 8. An apple a day keeps the vet away. Well, maybe not, but it's still good. Let's talk about apples. Those crisp, juicy fruits that keep doctors away can also be a refreshing treat for your feline friend. Now I know what you're thinking. John, cats and apples, that's a weird combination. And you're not wrong, cats aren't exactly known for their love of fruits. But apples can actually be a healthy and hydrating snack for your cat, especially during the hot summer months. They're low in calories and high in fiber and vitamin C, which can boost your cat's immune system. But before you go tossing your cat a whole apple, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, always remove the seeds and core. Apple seeds contain cyanide, which is toxic to cats, and humans for that matter. And second, cut the apple into small, bite-sized pieces to prevent choking hazards. A few slices of apple can be a refreshing and healthy treat for your cat. Chapter 9. Cheese, a perfectly acceptable treat, in moderation. Hold on to your hats, cat lovers, because we're about to talk about cheese. Yes, you heard that right. That delicious dairy product that many humans can't get enough of can also be a tasty treat for your feline friend. But before you go sharing your cheese board with your cat, there are a few things to keep in mind. First and foremost, moderation is key. Cheese is high in fat, so it should only be given as an occasional treat. Think of it as a special reward for being the best cat in the world, which, let's be honest, your cat already knows they are. Second, not all cheeses are created equal. Some cheeses, like cheddar and Swiss, are lower in lactose than others, making them easier for cats to digest. And finally, always introduce cheese slowly and watch for any adverse reactions. Some cats might be lactose intolerant and could experience digestive upset after eating cheese. Chapter 10. Plain yogurt probiotics for a perfectly balanced gut. We're wrapping up our list of surprising human foods cats can eat with something a little unexpected, plain yogurt. Yes, you heard that right. That creamy, tangy goodness that many humans enjoy for breakfast or as a snack can also be a healthy treat for your cat. But before you go pouring your cat a bowl of fruit-flavored yogurt, hold on a second. We're talking about plain, unsweetened yogurt here. The kind that's full of probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that are good for gut health. Probiotics can help regulate your cat's digestion, boost their immune system, and even improve their skin and coat. It's like a superpower for their digestive system. Just a spoonful or two of plain yogurt every now and then can make a big difference in your cat's overall health and well-being. And who knows, maybe your cat will even develop a taste for it and start begging for their daily dose of probiotics. Outro: treat your cat right with these safe human foods. And there you have it. 10 surprising human foods that your cat can safely enjoy. From cooked chicken to plain yogurt, there are plenty of options for sharing your culinary world with your feline friend. Remember, always introduce new foods to your cat's diet gradually, and consult with your vet if you have any concerns. Every cat is different, and what works for one cat might not work for another. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet-friendly tips and tricks. And be sure to let us know in the comments below what other human foods your cat enjoys. Until next time, DFTBA, don't forget to be awesome to your cats.